Hey Amazon seller, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to use Amazon bestseller lists for product research. Let's get into it. If you are following along from my screen, Amazon bestseller lists are a powerful tool for product research. Here's how to effectively use them to find profitable products for your business. Start by accessing the bestseller lists on Amazon's website. You can find these lists by searching for bestsellers or navigating through the Amazon homepage to the bestsellers section. Take a close look at the categories that align with your business. Analyze the top-selling products in these categories to understand what's currently popular. Pay attention to factors like product features, pricing, and customer reviews. Look for trends in the bestseller lists. Are there specific types of products or niches that consistently appear? Identifying these trends can help you spot lucrative opportunities. Consider using Amazon's bestseller rank, BSR, as an indicator of a product's performance. Products with a low BSR are selling well, which can be a good sign of profitability. However, don't just focus on the top items. Even products further down the list can offer valuable insights. Compare the bestseller lists with other tools and research methods to validate your findings. This approach ensures that you're not just following trends, but are making data-driven decisions. By leveraging the Amazon bestseller lists, you can gain valuable insights into popular products and trends, helping you make informed decisions for your product research strategy. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.